another unboxing. Garnier sent me this box. Not sure what's in here, but it feels kind of heavy. So I want to open it with you guys and make a little unboxing video because I haven't done an unboxing video in a while. And before we do, please like, subscribe, and share. Comment down below which is your favorite Garnier product. I wonder if it's going to be hair or skin. In case of emotional overflow. We'll see. Let's go on to the rest of the video. Bring this up. It looks like it is their micellar water, which spray this card with water to reveal a message. Alright, we're gonna have to do that for the video, but this is the box. A little bag in here. Let's pull that out. Little baggie. They did send this to me, so this is gifted. This is the front. This is the back. There's like a little few things in here. Let's see. Bye. My two. Some stuff in here. Okay. Oh, it got bent. Close the door. This is the Micellar Cleansing Eco Pads. Bye bye. Oh, they're reusable. I love it. So this is them. Bye bye. Bye bye. All right. Bye bye. This is it. It has 1,000 washes. Cotton pad, 0 cotton pad waste. Add micellar water to use it to cleanse your face, take off makeup. And the one they sent me, it is their all-in-one waterproof, cleanses and removes makeup, even waterproof mascara. Which waterproof mascara is a blessing and a curse all at once. So super glad that I got this. Very excited. My sister lives by micellar water, especially Garnier. She's always has it, and I never really have it, but now I have it. Bye. Close the door. But yeah, so that's everything they sent me in here. These cute little pads and this cute little bag, which I'm gonna, if I get more Garnier stuff, I might make a little Garnier gift bag. And then like, so like for Christmas, I like to do themes, or like if I do if I'm giving somebody a certain brand, I like to stay within that brand. And I'm kind of thinking about making a Garnier themed gift bag for somebody in particular this Christmas. We'll see. Okay, let's get on to this. Let me go get a spray bottle so we can do it here on camera. Okay guys, got my spray bottle and the card, so let's try not to like wet myself. It is cute. It's such so fun. I like little hidden messages. I'm like a child. You ever seen National Treasure? If you're a National Treasure fan, you know. Okay, what does it say? We're inviting you to share your authentic story with Garnier waterproof micellar water. Post your incredible content showcasing how it removes our makeup when you need it the most. I don't know why I'm reading it so slow and like that. Your post equals your perks. Enter for a chance to win the iconic one-of-a-kind bedazzled micellar water jug, a showstopper designed to light up your feed. Make your tag, and then it shows me tags, and it's a little giveaway. So if you guys want to enter that giveaway, here is the information. You can pause and read that. But yeah, super fun. I love how cute they made it, like little. But yeah, so that was my little mini product review video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. Like always, please stay safe out there. Bye now.